Well, that was miserable. So I have a love-hate relationship with the snow. I love the snow. Oh, that wind. I love the snow when you get outside and play with it. The kids love it. It's fun to go sledding. But getting up early, brushing off cars, well, not our cars because they're in the garage, but we used to have to do that. Snow blowing the driveway, shoveling the walkway, it sucks. And growing up, my family never had a snowblower. So I always said that I'd get a snowblower when I grew up. And I think I'm grown up now. I'm close to it. Not quite. Okay, I'm done with this. I'm going back inside. Way too cold. So do you guys remember when you were kids watching the news scroll through school closings every single day? That was my favorite part of winter when I was a kid, was seeing my school called and knowing that it was a snow day. How great was that feeling?
That was not awesome, no! Ah!
Kids are just down there hanging out, playing in the snow. I would have been the worst pilgrim ever. Coming over on the Mayflower, landing somewhere near here. The first winter, I would have gone to Disney. This is terrible. Whoa! What's up?
Come here.
What did you do? Whoa, what is this?
The snow thing.
I love it.
Are my cheeks pink?
Yep.
Yeah.
Your nose is pink, your cheeks are pink.
Let's go in.
You guys ready for some hot cocoa?
Yeah.
All right. All right, put the sled away.
Okay.
No, don't throw that at me. There you go. No, hurry up, let's go. We gotta go in. It's hot cocoa time. What happened?
Our cheeks feel weird.
Why do your cheeks feel weird?
We don't know.
No idea?
Do I look like a baby with my cheeks?
Yeah, I mean, they're a little bit pink. You kind of look like a young Santa Claus, maybe. Miles, are you ready for this?
Dave, what is that red tulip thing?
Polybell?
Not
Did you
a
put any
hole.
marshmallows?
Oh, it's a poinsettia.
Oh, it kind of looks like poinsettias are there.
Oh, yeah. Wait, marshmallows too?
Of course.
I broke this recently. It just kind of fell off the fridge. But it has to be glued back together. I think I need to do that. It happened like 3 weeks ago and I haven't fixed it yet. I got nothing better to do. I'm not sure how long it's gonna last. it's done snowing, so I can go shovel a little bit.